the day tag. In this chapter, we are focusing on the super handy feature of Copilot, transforming unstructured text into neatly formatted tables. If you have ever worked with data-heavy reports, you know how challenging it can be to present information in a clear, readable format. With Copilot, you can take a raw data and turn it into an organized table in just a few clicks. Make sure to subscribe and follow along with the written guide, which is linked in the description below. Before we get started, let's jump in and see how it works. Imagine you are working on a marketing report and you have gathered data on social media engagement from several platforms, but it's all in unstructured text form. Here's an example of the raw data. It's a bit messy, right? Presenting this kind of data clearly is important, especially when it's part of a larger report. Instead of manually formatting this information into a table, let's use Copilot to do it in seconds. Here's how you can quickly convert unstructured text into a clean, professional-looking table using Copilot. First, highlight the text you want to transform. In this case, we'll highlight the data points for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Once the text is highlighted, you're ready to use Copilot. After highlighting the text, follow these simple steps. Click the Copilot icon in the Word toolbar, or you can click the Copilot button beside your text right here. In the Copilot command box, type "turn this into a table." As you can see, Copilot takes the unstructured text and neatly arranges it into a table that's easy to read and understand. This is especially helpful for reports where data presentation is key. But Copilot doesn't just work for simple data like engagement percentages. It's also incredibly useful for more complex data sets. Let's say you have more detailed information, like the number of followers, interactions, and ad spend across platforms. You could input raw text like this. In this example, let's say we have YouTube as a platform, number of views, likes, comments, shares, as well as different video campaigns such as tech review or DIY craft. So highlight this text and ask Copilot to turn it into a table. And you will organize it into something like this. This feature is incredibly useful when you are handling larger data sets, as it ensures all your information is clearly laid out. Once Copilot generates the table, you can easily customize it. For example, you can rearrange the columns. If you want to prioritize one data point over another, like ad spend or followers, simply drag and drop the columns to reorder them. And you can also add headings or notes. For example, Q3 2024 or specific campaign details to clarify what the data represents. The key idea is that Copilot gives you the base table, but you can still modify it as needed to fit your report. This feature is a game changer for anyone dealing with data-heavy reports. Whether you are writing a marketing analysis, financial report, or even a project update, Copilot allows you to transform raw, unstructured data into tables quickly. This not only makes the information easier to read, but also more professional and presentable. Let's quickly go over the key benefits of using Copilot to convert text into tables. Speed and efficiency. Copilot instantly transforms raw data into neatly formatted tables, saving you time. Clearer presentation. Organized tables make it easier for readers to understand the data. Customization. You can easily modify the table by adding, deleting, or rearranging columns and rows to suit your needs. This makes Copilot an invaluable tool for reports, presentations, or any document that involves data. And that's how you can use Copilot to transform unstructured text into tables in Word. Whether it's simplifying marketing data, financial figures, or any raw information, this feature makes it easier to present and understand data-heavy reports in a professional format, saving you tons of times on manual formatting. In the next chapter, we'll dive into another powerful feature of Copilot, asking questions directly from your Word document. Imagine being able to quickly search through a long document and ask Copilot to pull out key information like deadlines, matrix, or summaries without scrolling through pages and pages of content. I'll show you how Copilot can instantly find answers within your document and even link you directly to the relevant sections. It's a massive productive booster, especially when you're dealing with large projects or reports. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.